tailor-made and timeless values. Love. Bible principle: clothe yourselves with love, for it is a perfect bond of union. Colossians 3:14. The benefits. The love predominantly mentioned in the Bible is not the romantic or sexual kind. Rather, it is a principled love characterized by such qualities as compassion, forgiveness, humility, loyalty, kindness, mildness, and patience. Unlike romantic infatuation, which usually fades with time, love can keep growing indefinitely. Brenda, who has been married for nearly 30 years, says, "The love newlyweds have for each other is nothing compared with the love you have as a marriage grows through time." Sam, a husband for over 12 years, observed, "My wife and I have always been delighted, even surprised, at how effective Bible counsel is, and how simple. You apply it, and things go smoothly." However, as much as I want to say that I always apply it, on occasion I haven't, such as when I was feeling overly sensitive, a bit selfish, or tired. At those times, I ask Jehovah to help me dispel any negative feelings. Then I give my wife a hug, and before long, it's like nothing unpleasant happened. Jesus Christ said that wisdom is vindicated by its results. Matthew 11:19 and footnotes. In the light of that truth, the Bible has all the hallmarks of genuine wisdom. Its teachings and values work. They are timeless. They transcend culture and nationality, and they reflect such deep insight into human nature that they point to a higher source, our Creator, Jehovah God. The proof, of course, is in the application. Hence, the Bible invites us to taste and see that Jehovah is good. Psalm 34:8. Will you accept that invitation? The following is supplementary information. The Bible improved the quality of my life. Lynn lives in Southeast Asia. She told Awake how the Bible helped her to improve the quality of her life. What is your religious background?
I come from a Buddhist family that follows tradition. I knew nothing of the true God.
Were you satisfied with your life?
On the contrary, I had many problems. I was unable to budget money, I did not know how to find good friends, and I could not help my parents with their problems.
Then your life took a turn for the better. Tell us how.
Some young women who were Jehovah's Witnesses began teaching me the Bible. When I had problems, I sought their guidance. Even though they were younger than I was, they gave me excellent advice, but not based on their own views. They showed me what the Bible says. Now that I have experienced the benefits of applying Bible teachings, I am fully convinced that this book is from God and that it can help anyone who strives to live by it. Secular education, although having its place, cannot do that.
Can you enlarge on that?
My parents have a college education and a high station in society, yet they have not found answers to their problems. In fact, they are divorced and unhappy. When I went to college, I was told that there are times when society can be improved only by violence. The Bible, however, tells us that no human efforts can have lasting success, for God gave us neither the ability to govern ourselves nor the authority to do so. That's why human rule in all its forms is flawed and prone to corruption. But when we subject ourselves to God, we can greatly improve our life and be a good influence on others.
How has the Bible helped you?
In many practical ways. I have fewer worries, and I now have good friends. I have learned to budget money and can afford to travel a little. Most of all, I can help others when they are in need.
End of article.